Bonjour. Today's lesson is titled aller because this is a verb that you're going to be learning. Aller. And aller means to go, so we're going to talk about going to places. So as already said, aller is a verb that means to go, and it's an irregular verb. So you have to memorize its conjugation. The one good thing about aller is that in the nu and vous form is conjugated as though it's a regular ER verb because we take off that ER ending, we add ONS and EZ. The other four forms, though, are very irregular. So they are je vais, tu vas, il, elle, va. Now, one way to remember this is that in each form, going from je to tu, from tu to il and elle, the verb loses a letter. So in vais, we have V-A-I-S, and you take out that I for the tu. And then in the tu form, you have V-A-S, and you drop the S, and you're left with va. So that might be a trick to help you remember that you drop is, I-S, is. The other form that is irregular is il, elles, vont. And then we have nous allons, vous allez. So, je vais, tu vas, il va, elle va. Nous allons, vous allez, ils vont, elles vont. And it looks like there's an S missing at the end of the L plural, so we'll go ahead and add that in. And there we are. So as a reminder, when the preposition a, which means to, meets le, it changes to o. So for example, you can say, je vais au restaurant. A la doesn't change, it stays a la. Aller, so if you're saying that you're going to more than one place, you can say au. And if it's à l'apostrophe, like à l'école, it doesn't change. In this unit, you're actually mostly going to be seeing this form, just because of the kind of vocabulary it is. Most of the words are masculine. Okay, so we have je vais au château. Okay, we have the O right here. Now remember, chateau is masculine. AU is also masculine because it has that A plus the le. Now if we take a look at the next one, nous allons à l'école, we have A, L apostrophe. And just like we said before, that doesn't change. So all we have to do is add the A before l'école. In the next one, we have a feminine noun. Ils vont à la bibliothèque. Bibliothèque is feminine, so we see the la there, and all we have to do is add a before it. Lastly, we have elle va au magasin. She is going to the store. So we have elle va au plural magasin. Okay, more than one store, so AUX, and the lay is included in that. So you kind of have to group them together. AUX, A la, a, L apostrophe, and O, A-U. So far, we've had all review information. Now we're going to have some new information. We're going to talk about the pronoun e. You may have seen this in such phrases as on y va. Okay, means let's go, on y va. So if you do not mention the place a person is going, because it's already been referenced, you must use the pronoun e. So think of e as meaning there. So you'll see a few examples on the next slide. So stick with me even if it doesn't make sense right this second. So here are a few examples. If someone asks, tu vas au café? Are you going to the cafe? Tu vas au café? Oui, j'y vais. Et Laurent y va aussi. So we have, yes, I am going there, and Laurent is going there also. So you'll see that E actually goes right before the verb. Okay? And it just means there. Are you going to the cafe? Yes, I'm going there, and Laurent is going there as well. In our second example, we have nous allons à l'école. Vous y allez en bus? Vous y allez en bus? Okay, we are going to school. Are you going there by bus? Vous y allez en bus? So once again, we see we have E before the verb. E goes before the verb. And then it just means there. It's referring to the school. We're going to school. Do you go there by bus? Very, very simple. That is where I'm going to leave you. So I'm going to wish you bonne chance, and I will see you next time.